Hello, 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 and welcome to my abode. I am Tracy. Please have a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy yourself. If you like what you see, please subscribe, but please hit that like button. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. I just wanted to show you a little crafting that my granddaughter has done. While I'm here working, I have her six days out of the week, and so I try to keep her busy with items to do other than just playing. So this is part of the playing, and she's playing in the craft room. So as I worked, I gave her a project to do. And you know, Valentine's Day is up and coming. And so I gave her a canvas, a small canvas board, and had her to decorate it, fill it in as best she can with all different color markers. Can you show that? So this is what she came up with. And turn it this way. And I'm going to put it close in the camera. So she decorated, and I ended up putting the lines on here for her, and her name, and what this is. So she made a tic-tac-toe board. Okay? And then, as I worked in the craft room, taking care of the items that I need to take care of, that kept her busy, kept her very busy. So she had to create, I wanted her to create the pieces to go to the tic-tac-toe board. So the first ones that she created, I gave her these glitter hearts that I got from the Dollar Tree. So let me show you the first pieces that we made. Can I see those?
These?
Yes. You can show them in the camera. We used these glitter hearts. And they were kind of big after we made them, after she made them. They were already cut out and everything. But you know, they're glitter, so I wanted her to coat these so that the glitter wouldn't come off, and use these as the pieces for the tic-tac-toe game. Now, all along while she was making this game, she had no idea it was going to be a game. So I gave her clear fingernail polish to coat both sides of these, and she coated them a couple times to make them stiff. However, she made a total of 10. So she had 8 of the large ones, and she happened to pick 2 of the smaller hearts. They finished. She came back the next day, and that's when we put the lines on, and she knew, or I let her know, that this was going to be a tic-tac-toe game. So in the meantime, I let her know that for what we created and how small it is, that these were too big. They were too big for the board. So show me your other ones. So along with the 2 that she already did, small ones, I went ahead and took out 8 more, and I coated them with resin for her, and they're very stiff, and this is the size that she needs. Do you like those better?
Yeah.
So you can show how they're going to work on the board. So now, guess what, y'all? Created this game, and now she wants to play tic-tac-toe. So we're going to play a quick game of tic-tac-toe. See if she remembers how to play. And what we're going to do, I told her we won't waste these. We'll make something else with these. Maybe she can make her mom a necklace for Valentine's Day. Not sure. Okay, so do you want pink or do you want red?
Pink.
All right, give me the red.
These are mine?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. This is mine.
That's mine. Okay.
This was mine. This is mine.
Okay, now who's going to go first?
You.
So you know it goes like this, right? Because your name is up here in tic-tac-toe, so it goes that way. You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay. I won't put it in the middle like I always do. I'll just put it over here. Okay.
Well, my turn.
Yes, it's your turn.
I definitely want to put it right here.
You're going to put it right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Well then, you know what?
What?
I'm going to put one right here. Whoa. So what does that tell you? Oh, you blocked me. You blocked me. Okay. Okay. So now, what will I do? I will put one. I'm going to have to put it in the middle. Now, what will you do? You better look at it and think about it.
Right here.
Oh! I'm not going. I'm gonna help you. But if I have 2 in a row, what do you have to do? You have to stop me from winning, right?
Block you.
You have to block me. So where would you block me? If I got 2 going this way.
Right here.
Yes, because otherwise I would win the game. Okay. Now, it's my turn, and I don't even know where to put. I think this is... You know what? You blocked me one way, but look at there. Oops! Tic-tac-toe, I won. Oh, wow. I won the first game. Okay. Did I get a high five for that? Sorry. I tried to let you win. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. We got this game to play, and she wants to take it home, but I told her I wanted to let the people know what she made and show it to you and see how we made it. The tic-tac-toe board, after she used the marker and colored it in, we coated that with Mod Podge. We gave it a couple coats of Mod Podge so that the marker wouldn't smudge or smear or anything. So there you have it. What do you think? You can give her a 2 thumbs up or a thumbs up or something. We'll see you later. Alrighty. Peace.
1 hour later.